Are you looking to grow your little one's hair long this year, 2022? If you are, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything I have been doing to grow my daughter's hair long, bum length to be exact, and retain length. Hey NC fam, welcome back to my channel. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing is using the right types of products. Now we know products don't grow hair, but with my daughter's hair and with anyone's hair, products help with length retention and the maintenance of the hair. So it's super important for me to use products that are going to condition, smoothen my daughter's hair, lubricate her strands, help with detangling, for example, give the hair slip so that it doesn't cause any breakage. All of these things are what has contributed to her length retention. So the right types of products matters. Okay, so just because I know someone's probably thinking this, you're thinking that my daughter's hair is long because of genetics, I want to address this. So when it comes to genetics, it has nothing to do with length retention, but everything to do with the color of my daughter's hair, the curl pattern, her density, her individual strand thickness, even down to how fast the hair grows. Now, when it comes to the growth rate, if your hair grows fast but you're not able to retain length because it's breaking off just as fast, then it's pointless. It doesn't even matter if you have fast growing hair. What matters is that you're able to retain length. The next thing is having an effective regime in place, an effective regime that meets her current hair needs. So her regime tells me what I'm going to do, when I'm going to do it, how often I'm going to do it. This helps me to stay consistent. Her regime is written, it is visible when I need to see it, and I'm more likely to follow it because I have a plan in place. And you know how that saying goes, right? If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So having a regime for my daughter's hair is super important. Okay, NC fams, before I continue, I have never done this before, but I am hosting a free masterclass on the 27th of January at 7 p.m. GMT via Zoom. If you're looking to grow your little one's hair in 2022 and you're really serious about their hair journey, just click the link below this video and sign up for this free masterclass. It's going to be amazing. The next thing that's helped with my daughter's length retention is pre-pooing her hair with an oil like coconut oil, which helps to lubricate her strands, making it easier for me to finger detangle her hair, for example. It helps with protein loss, particularly coconut oil. It also helps with damage, so high growth fatigue. It's just amazing when it comes to length retention, and this has been something that has been really great for my daughter's hair, particularly because her hair tangles quite a bit easily. Pre-poo in her hair has really been a game changer for her hair in particular. So another thing that has really helped with my daughter's length retention is not over manipulating her hair. So not combing or detangling her hair all the time like I used to. In this video, she was one and I just finished moisturizing her hair. And as you can see, I am combing, detangling her hair. Even though I'm using the right methods, it was too much manipulation. So now I only detangle her hair on wash days, which is every 2 weeks. I use my fingers first to remove any knots or tangles, and then I use a tool like a detangling brush to remove all of that shed hair that is accumulated within that 2 weeks period. This really helps to minimize those tangles and of course minimize breakage. Now because I detangle her hair when it's wet, when her hair is wet, her hair is more prone to breakage, is more vulnerable. So I use a conditioner that gives me a lot of slip. That's going to help with combability. That's going to make detangling the hair, much more easier and cause minimal breakage. This all helps with length retention. Now my technique also is important on wash day. I make sure that I'm using the right technique. So for example, starting from the ends and working my way up to the roots rather than from the roots down. Again, this helps to minimize breakage. Another thing that's really helped with my daughter's length retention is deep conditioning her hair. So this is a product type that I really enjoy using because it really helps to soften her hair, condition her hair, smoothen her hair, which overall just makes her hair healthy, manageable, and of course helps with length retention. So I deep condition my daughter's hair every 2 weeks without fail whenever I wash her hair. And like I said, it's really helped with the overall health of her hair. Now, the next thing that also helped with her length retention is shampooing in twists. So when I detangle my daughter's hair, I then put each section I've detangled into twists until I'm done, and then I shampoo in those twists. Now when I do this, literally it's been a game changer for her hair. She gets less tangles, I'm less overwhelmed, I'm able to really target her scalp with the shampoo, which gives her a good clean, the foundation of healthy hair starts at the scalp. So that's really, really important to me on wash day to really get her scalp well. And of course, as I mentioned, less tangles. And if there's less tangles, that is length retention. Hey mamas, don't forget to sign up for my free masterclass that's taking place on the 27th of January at 7 p.m. GMT via Zoom. Listen, if you are serious about your little one's hair journey this year and you're looking to grow it out so they can retain length, this is the masterclass you need to be on. Just click the link below this video and sign up. Another thing that's really helped with my daughter's length retention is moisturizing her hair effectively on wash day and also when I re-moisturize her hair during the week. So I tend to re-moisturize her hair once a week, and using a layering method has really helped to, condition her hair, make her hair feel smooth, easier to manage. And of course, the LCO method, if you're aware of that, it's your liquid, your L, your C is your leave-in conditioner or your cream, and then your O is your butter, oil, or grease. So using this method and then following up with a grease, for example, a last really helps to create that greasy film on her strands, which helps to slow down the evaporation of moisture or water from her hair, which keeps the hair from feeling brittle, dry, and of course minimizing breakage, which helps with her length retention. So moisturize the hair effectively, and when her hair needs to be re-moisturized, has also helped with her length retention. Another important thing is keeping my daughter's style simple and tension free. Mainly, majority of the time, I do her hair in plaits or twists, literally plaits or twists. These styles are like really easy to do, quick to do as well, tension free. They don't cause any stress on her strands, and I'm able to not neglect her hair and actually get to do her hair when needed. Yes, I do other styles from time to time, like high puffs, for example. I may do, one puff at the top, one puff at the bottom. I may do two puffs at the sides, or even a twist out or a braid out, for example, and I turn it into another style. But majority of the time, her hair is in twists or plaits, just keeping it super simple. This has really helped with length retention. Protecting my daughter's hair every night when she goes to sleep has also been very important when it comes to her length retention. Very important for minimizing frizz, minimizing breakage, balding, all of that stuff that we're trying to avoid. Protecting the hair at night is part of her regime, which helps with her length retention. So she always goes to bed with her satin bonnet. Now, if you're interested in learning how I wash my daughter's hair fully or how I moisturize her hair on wash day, check out these videos that you see on the screen right now for her full wash day and moisturizing process.